Okay guys, I have found the best way to make 5 to 10 grand every single month as a beginner. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's something you can do in just 1 to 3 hours a day from your phone or laptop with no degree or prior experience, and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Make sure you like this video and save this video because you're going to want to come back to it because I'm going to explain step by step how you can do it right now. Step 1, you're going to want to pick a niche. This is something you're passionate about, like fitness, your kids, relationships, or money. Then you're going to want to Google your niche affiliate program, and it'll give you all the top affiliate programs for that niche. From there, you'll pick your favorite, then you'll want to apply with that company, and it's always absolutely free to sign up. They'll send you your affiliate links, and now for the fun part. You take that link and you promote it all over social media. You can do it by creating videos just like this on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. There are also tons of ways that you can do it without even showing your face. So then whenever anyone clicks on those links and makes a purchase, you make a commission every single time. I know this can seem overwhelming at the start. Heck, I was a beginner about 2 months ago. So I went ahead and made a completely free ebook with step-by-step instructions to get you started today the exact same way that I did, and I started making commissions after only 13 days. So comment ready and I will send you that free ebook. Don't forget to follow along for more. And if you have any questions at any time, feel free to message me.